of Griffin swimming in Glammy and Big Jeff's house. Woo! Is it so funny? What do you think, Griffy? We think this? We got a splash. We got a splash. Woo!
Whoop, got him in the face.
Be careful, baby. Are you having fun?
One more.
Woohoo! Is that the most fun? Say bye-bye, Griffy! We're having fun! When is this? This is June...
This is June 7th, 8th.
2015!
Ma!
We just turned a year old, right, Griffy? Bye, Griffy! Say bye, I love you! Griffy, high five, Daddy! Give Daddy high five!
High five!
All right. Bye, guys. We love you. Bye, Griff.